Before commencing, remove the gold pin to disconnect the motor from the roller. Open the junction box. Press and hold the button on the board until the light goes out. This will clear the memory. To program the power roller, press the button once, the light will flash, then press button A on the remote. To program button B, press the button twice, the light will flash, then press button B on the remote. Test the remote, then repeat the process for the second remote. Do not clear the memory first, as this will wipe out what you have just done.